Hello again, my YouTubers. It's your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, for this new update at the garage fixing up. And today is January 17, 2023. And right now, it used to be warm. Now it's getting cooler now. And right now it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yep, I spotted it with these with the plumber's truck or something. Last time we did a video that was around this past Wednesday, we did like a lot of parts and just everything. And I hope you enjoyed this new update video. I spotted it by accident. Let's hope they're not going to do any more work. I was planning to go over there, but I gotta wait. Holy crap. That's why I spotted this by accident, and that's why I came here to tape. I just didn't know he was here. Well, winter's coming to an end pretty soon, about in 4 more weeks. Here's like another truck. Yep, I spotted it by accident, and here they are. Parking. I don't know what they're doing, but you're gonna find out. Getting pretty fucking cold out there. Sorry with my language, folks. It's a little bit drafty now. Yep, and I hope you enjoyed this video for February 17, 2023. I'll see you again next time and give you more updates. Please comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like this video. Later, folks, and enjoy the other videos. Bye.